Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a horseradish cream sauce. It works well as a sauce for a wide variety of meats. However, for this recipe, I'm going to show you how you can use it to make a delicious scalloped potato recipe. To a high-sided saucepan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter, that's 42 grams. Melt that butter down. You may be wondering what this recipe would work well with. It goes great with roast, steak, corned beef, goes great with lamb, or you can make it with potatoes, scalloped potatoes. Once the butter's melted, add 3 tablespoons of flour, that's 24 grams. So you're making a roux for the sauce. Cook this on medium to low for roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a really easy sauce to make. It just takes a few minutes to throw it together. Whenever you have a warm, nutty smell coming from the roux and it's slightly brown, you're ready to move on to the next step. You're going to add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of milk. Make sure to keep whisking while you pour it in. Try to incorporate that roux into the liquid. From there, you're going to add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of heavy cream. You might want to turn it up a tad bit. You want to bring this to a simmer. And it's a good idea to break out a spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of the pan to make sure that everything's well incorporated. Sometimes you get little bits and pieces of the roux stuck in the corners. While you're waiting for it to become thick, you can add 2 tablespoons, 35 grams of prepared horseradish. Whisk it in, and you can see it's starting to get thick already. Next item up to bat, sprigs of thyme. 6 sprigs of thyme, using fresh thyme. All you have to do is pinch the top, pull down, sprinkle it in, and have a few that are already ready to go. Yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon. Little dab will do you. See, it's already getting nice and thick. Time to drop in some spice. Nutmeg, dash will do. White pepper, a little bit of this as well. Mix it in. And watch the heat. If it starts getting too hot, you can always turn it down. You don't want to scald the sauce. So once it becomes thick, you can turn it down. Check that out. Look how thick that is. Give it a taste. Just the seasoning, salt, just a little, right? So now I'm going to show you how to make scalloped potatoes with this. It's absolutely outstanding. Perfect, so now we have our sauce, it's ready. It's nice, it's thick. Check this out. Look at that, would you? That is a beauty right there. Snag an 8x8 baking dish. Butter it, and then one thing that I really like to do, I like to take some garlic, smash it, and then just rub it all throughout that baking dish. Make sure to get the corners, the sides. This will infuse flavor into it. And then you can leave it in there. Perfect. Next, add a layer of the horseradish cream sauce. Spread it around. Just 1 scoop will do. Not too much. It doesn't have to be too terribly much. So I have 5 russet potatoes that have been sliced. It's 1/4 of an inch thick, 6 millimeters. Put it into a bowl of water, let them sit for about 5 minutes and then dry it off. Put a layer of the scalloped potatoes in. Doesn't have to be pretty. I also have 1 medium white onion. Just chopped, I quartered it. Sprinkle some in. And another option is to saute the onions. If you'd like to go that route, why not? Go for it. To that, you'll add another layer of the cream sauce. Round up a spatula. Just smooth it out, spread it around. Looking good. Add another layer of potatoes. Handful of onions. More sauce. Lastly, add all of the sauce. Grab that spatula, make sure that you get it all. This looks great. Next step is to pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for roughly 1 hour. All right, so it's been a mouth-watering 1 hour. It's baked uncovered. Let's see what we have. So would you get a load of this? Bubbly on the sides, golden brown touch on the top. The smell is absolutely amazing. It looks fantastic. I can't wait to dive in. Let's hit it. So that's all there is to it. That's how you make a delicious scalloped potatoes with a horseradish cream sauce. Only thing left to do, dive in and enjoy. Hey, well, thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you happen to be looking for additional horseradish recipes, check out this video. It's 3 recipes all in one. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.